Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to make sprouted mode beans green curry. Typically refers to highly nutritious, protein-rich Indian Maharashtrian dish known as Mataki Usal. It is made from sprouted mode beans, which is known as matki, cooked with regional spices, herbs and savory sauce. This Maharashtrian green sprout mode bean curry recipe is made from the green masala paste made from fresh green coriander leaves, green chilies, garlic and ginger, which pairs perfectly with crunch of sprouted matki and long onion slices. Ingredient needed for this sprouted mode bean green recipe: we need sprouted matki or mode beans 2 cups. For green paste we need fresh green coriander leaves, 1 large onion cut into long thin slices. Next we need 4 to 5 green chilies paste, 8 to 10 curry leaves, also ginger garlic paste with 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. For tempering we need 2 tablespoons of oil, half tablespoon of mustard seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt for taste, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. First step is to prepare the green masala paste. Add fresh coriander leaves, green chilies, ginger garlic into the blender jar. Add 1 tablespoon of water and blend to the smooth, vibrant green paste. Set it aside. Second step is to tempering the spices. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan or kadai on medium flame. Once oil is hot, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let them splatter. Add fresh ginger garlic paste and stir it well. Immediately after this, add green masala paste made in the blender jar. Stir it well. Add 10 to 5 curry leaves and mix it. After adding curry leaves, sauté the onions. Add long sliced onions to the pan. Saute on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes until the onions turn slightly soft. To cook the sliced long onions until they are soft without letting them turn golden, you need to use cooking technique called sweating instead of frying or sauteing. Move the sliced onions around every minute to ensure they cook evenly and do not catch on the bottom. Cooking onions this way create sweet, translucent and delicate base. It is ideal for dishes where you want onion flavor. Add fresh green chopped coriander leaves. Add turmeric powder and stir it well again. Immediately add sprouted mode beans or matki to the pan and toast well so the mode beans are beautifully coated with the green masala paste. Grinding a portion of cooked sprouted mode beans or matki into the paste is a brilliant technique used to thicken the curry gravy naturally and intensify its earthy flavor. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of your cooked mode beans, sprouted matki out of the pan and transfer them into small mixer grinder jar. Cover the grinder jar. Use the pulse setting on your grinder 2 to 3 times to break down the mode beans. Pour the ground paste back into your pan with remaining whole sprouted beans. Stir gently on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This paste will instantly emulsify the water and sweetened onions, changing your thin liquid into rich, creamy and uniform curry gravy. Now pour 2 to 3 cups of warm water and bring the curry to boil. Then reduce the flame to low simmer. Cover the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes. Also add salt to taste. Within 10 minutes, the matki sprouts are softened. Once the curry has thickened slightly, the mode beans are cooked through. Bring the curry to boil, then reduce the flame to low simmer. After well cooked, turn off the heat. The green mode beans or matki curry provides an boost in nutrient absorption and digestion. This process of sprouting breaks down complex anti-nutrients. Matki is fantastic source of plant-based proteins which supports muscle health, tissue repair and energy level. Serve this green mode bean curry with jawar or bajra pearl millet, also with chapati or white steam rice. If you like this vibrant green curry of sprouted matki or mode beans, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.